Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to share some facts about American shorthair cat. The scientific name of American shorthair cat is Felis catus. It originated in Europe, North America. It was the seventh most popular pedigreed cat in the United States. The lifespan of American Shorthair cat is 15 to 20 years. So an American Shorthair cat can live 15 to 20 years. A female American Shorthair cat can give birth to 4 to 6 kittens. American Shorthair cats are popular large-sized breed of domestic cat, known for their strong bodies, easy-going attitudes, and long lifespans. The American Shorthair cat was first brought over by settlers in the United States to protect the cargo of their ships from mice and rats, and was selectively bred to promote qualities that allowed the breed to deal with their new climate and lifestyle. Because of their working cat histories, American Shorthair cats continue to be curious, playful, and low-maintenance cats that enjoy hunting and adventuring independently. If you someone have a American Shorthair cat as a pet, please take it for the vet and check on its health and keep it very healthy. If you find this fact helpful, please subscribe to my channel and comment your thoughts.